Hi friends, now there's a special feature we'll discuss that was not covered in the theory lectures. It is called as the teardrop fillet. There are various reasons to use the teardrop fillet in PCB. It reduces mechanical and thermal stress where the trace joins the pad, resulting in less hairline cracks in traces. It helps to enlarge the PCB manufacturer tolerance of the drill to pad. This makes the production of a board easier and reduces rejected board during production. So here's how we can add teardrop fillets. So for that we can go in the technology tab, select the configure teardropping option. Over here, we check the boxes of enable teardrops and include undrilled pads so that even the SMT pads can have teardrops on them if they are in our PCB designing. So we can keep the annular ring as 25 thou, and similarly I can also keep the teardrop length as 25 thou and click on OK. Now, the widths of our traces are more than the teardrop width. So in order to see the teardrops, what we'll have to do is we'll have to reduce the trace width. So I'll reduce this width over here to say T15. And if you can see, this is what is a teardrop. I'll reduce another trace. If it looks a bit jumbled here, let me select this one. So this is how a teardrop is created. It is applied globally once you have made the configuration from the technology tab. So this is about the teardropping feature. In the next video, we'll be learning one more interesting feature that you will all like for sure. So stay tuned.